Yo, what's going on? This is Marauder, man. I'm just gonna bring y'all something about, things that I want to know about Madden. So, just, I'm gonna break it down real quick. Just let's remember where we came from with this and where we started. 2K5, they tried to emulate that. It didn't work, so they copied a little bit of this. So, if we just remember this, we'll go from here. And then we had, then we had this from BB Highlights. Same thing they got in Madden now. So if you didn't catch it, I'll show you in a second, but same thing, show you some more. Now, this is what's coming up in the Madden 13. And I'll show you these videos. I'm going to talk a little bit.
Going to fight for every yard, so I need to fight for every yard as well.
And that's different from last year's version of this game where that play would have just essentially been
Absolutely. You see it, you know when it's over, but now, in this case, you just don't know. These guys are going to fight harder. Things are going to be more organic and realistic, and you're going to have to play to the whistle.
That's awesome, man. The new Infinity engine, obviously, it makes a lot of difference. There's no question about that. And when you look at the new Madden NFL 13 game, it is so realistic. I mean, it's like being there on Sunday.
That's right.
All right, well, that's going to do it for us.
So this is the new Madden, I guess. This is all I gotta say about it. Will we have the lifeless bodies like they had in Backbreaker? Probably not, but we're gonna have some quirky. There's still animations in there, and if everyone's gonna watch the playbook, so you're gonna see how they just did it. They just allowed the person to actually interact with the other player, so it's not. They say they put new physics engine in, and it's gonna be this and that, but when you watch the video, they had the players jumping in the air. Reggie Bush right here is jumping in the air. Receivers diving. Quirky hits, getting bent over. Still, it looks like there's a little wall. If you've seen the other one this morning, they had Joe Montana. He was playing the game, and they still look like they're ice skating, the foot planting, and things like that. But before you can critique the game, like I said, you should pick up the game. And then if you don't like it, you don't like it. But, rent it. Do whatever you got to do. Play it first, and then say what you don't like about it. But there's still going to be problems with it. This is their first time doing it. It's going to be problems, period. So, it's a step in the right direction. We're all going to say it's the step in the right direction. It looks good. I'm hyped to get it. It is what it is. It's still Madden. It's still NFL teams. That's all we got to play unless you feel like doing what BB Highlights has done. Congrats to him. Putting all that time into doing that. Or, like most people will do, they just come out and they're going to buy Madden and NCAA. So, do your research. Check out that Infinity engine. It was used in like Baldur's Gate and a couple other games back in 98, 90, maybe before that even. I'm not sure how good the engine really is, but they're talking about the same. You won't see the same tackles twice. It sounds like backbreaker. They say fight for every yard. We've heard that before in Madden. Just a lot of puns they use, a lot of wordage that they've used before to try to sell the game. The game's gonna look good. They got the new Nike combat uniforms, and everyone's gonna pick it up. This is what it is. That's what we have right now. But do your research. Check it out. You might not like it. You might want to wait another year to see if they get the kinks out. You might want to wait to see, what updates they'll have for the game. Then purchase it with the SI. They're gonna have the SI. If you haven't really heard about it, and if you're in your local area, check out your local Toys R Us. They're running a sale. If you go ahead and reserve the game, the Madden will be $44.99. But this is Marauder. Nice hollering at y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man, at the bottom. And I'm out.